Why should India take environment seriously? That's really the running thread in this book. India should take environment seriously because we are 1.25 billion. We are going to add another 400 million over the next 35 years. India should take environment seriously because of the climate change challenge. India should take environment seriously because of the public health challenge. Most important point in this book really is the public health dimension of what is happening to India's air, water, forests, rivers, mountains, glaciers, and the fact that ultimately environmental issues in India are not really lifestyle issues but livelihood issues. So that's why it's called ecology, growth and democracy. I was environment minister for 25 months. A lot of issues that were brought into the public agenda. So this is really a look back on that period. The speeches I gave, the speaking orders that I issued, the parliament debates that took place, the notes that I sent to the Prime Minister and other colleagues. Basically, it is to put in one place for scholars, for students, the reasoning behind the positions that I took. And these decisions by their very nature were controversial. They invited praise, they invited criticism, and that still continues. I feel that we are the country that is most vulnerable to climate change. We are dependent on the monsoon, for example. 70% of our rainfall, comes from the southwest monsoon. We have a large coastline, 7,000 kilometer long coastline, 200-300 million people living, vulnerable to increase in mean sea levels. The retreat of the glaciers and what it does to the water flow, another point of vulnerability. Environment is not a luxury for us, it's a necessity for us. My view, which I have explained in this book, is that there is no country in the world which faces multiple points of vulnerability like India does. And that's why we should be a leader in responding to climate change.